Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can freeze your location in the Snapchat app. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and also make sure to put your likes. So let's go ahead and get started. And in this video, I'm going to show you right away a few ways that you can pause or freeze your location for the Snapchat app. First of all, you're going to open the app itself. Then at the bottom on the left side, click on Maps. And then at the top on the right side on the gear, this will take you to the Snapchat card settings. Next, you need to find this feature right here. It's called Hide My Real-Time Location. And you need to activate it. As you can see, you're asked how much you want to hide your location for 3 hours, for 24 hours, or until you cancel it yourself. I'm going to go with the latter. Next, there's also the so-called ghost mode at the very top. You can also activate it so that some users can't see whether you're online or not in your location as well. If you activate it, there's a similar window here that asks you for how long you want to enable this mode. And after that, people won't be able to see your location in the Snapchat app. You'll also be able to do this if you go to your phone settings. Scroll to the bottom, and you'll need to go to Snapchat. Next, location. Here you'll also be able to choose when you want to show your location in the Snapchat app. For example, always, only when you use the app, every time you ask, and never. So here you go friends, you can very easily hide your real-time location in Snapchat app. Friends, I really hope this video was useful for you, helped you. Don't forget to please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, make sure to put your likes, and see you soon.